like a Hellcat.
Arithmetic progression, the relation between terms. Third term over second term is equal to the second term all over by the first term. And term is A, and term is equal to A plus the quantity of n less 1 times d, where n is yung kung ilang term siya, and d is yung pagitan ng first term tsaka second term. To find naman ng sum ng ating arithmetic progression, s is equal to n all over by 2 times 2a plus n less 1 times d. Ang second formula naman is s is equal to n all over by 2 times a plus an. Let's go to the examples para maging mas clear ito. How many terms of progression 3, 5, 7, 9 must be taken in order that their sum will be 2,600? Okay. Solution. First is to find the given. The given is A, where ang A natin is yung 3, yung first term, and D, 2, yung difference ng first term tsaka second term, kaya 2. 5 less 3, kaya naging 2. So, and third given is yung sum nila is 2,600. The formula ng gagamitin natin is S is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n less 1 times d. Substitute yung natin yung mga given. 2,600 is equal to n less 2 times the quantity of 2 times 6 plus n less 1 times 2. Itong 2 i-multiply natin dito sa 2,600 para makancel na yung 2 doon. Kaya 5,200 is equal siya 6n. Ang 6n is 2 times 3 times n, 6n. To get na ito naman yung 2 plus 2n squared, 2 times n is 2n squared, less 2 times 1, negative 1, negative 2 times n is negative 2n. Manipulating the equation, 2n squared plus 4n less, transpose yung 5,200 sa kabila, kaya naging 5,200, negative 5,200. Divide natin siya ng 2, kaya our equation is n squared plus 2n less 2,600. Factor natin yung ating equation, makakuha tayo ng n less 50 times n plus 52. n less 50 is equal to 0. Yung 50 transpose natin sa kabila, kaya naging n is equal to 50. Ang sagot na is 50 term para makuha ang 2,600. Example number 2. Find the sum of 4, 9, 14, 19 up to 20 term. Given A is equal to 4, our first term, and D is equal to 5, the difference of 9 and 4. N is 20 because 20 term. Ang formula na gagamitin natin is S is equal to N all over by 2 times 2A plus N less 1 times D. Substitute 20 all over by 2 times 2 times 4 plus 20 less 1 times 5. To calculate that, simply S is equal to 1,030. Sample number 3. What is the 50th term of the progression 3, 5, 7, and 9? Given, first term is equal to 3. The difference of second term and the first term, d is equal to 2. And is equal to 50 because we are finding the 50th term. Formula that we use, an is equal to a1 plus n less 1 times d. A50 is equal to 3 plus quantity 50 less 1 times 2 equals 3 plus quantity 50 minus 1 is 49 times 2. Next equals 3 plus 98. 49 times 2 is 98. 98 plus 3 is equal to 101. That's now our answer.